Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to bring you helpful information for your life. Let's dive into today's topic. Cancer does not only stem from genetic factors or the environment, but also from the foods you consume every day. Some foods that seem harmless could be silently creating an ideal environment for cancer cells to grow. Have you ever wondered if the familiar dishes in your daily meals could be the very reason putting your body at risk? In this video, we will explore some extremely common foods that are hidden enemies of your body, and why they are being warned about by nutrition experts. You won't believe the impact they have. 1. Milk and dairy products. Milk and dairy products, while often considered a good source of calcium for bones, can actually be one of the harmful foods when it comes to health, especially regarding cancer risk. Studies have shown that consuming too much milk and dairy can lead to a high intake of protein and phosphorus, which can increase acidity in the body. When the body becomes too acidic, cancer cells find an ideal environment to thrive. Furthermore, milk from animals raised in unnatural conditions, containing hormones and antibiotics, may weaken the immune system and cause long-term damage to health. If you want to protect your health and reduce cancer risk, consider replacing animal milk with plant-based alternatives such as nut milk, soy milk, or coconut milk. 2. Refined sugar. Refined sugar is not only an enemy of weight management, but also one of the main contributors to feeding cancer cells. Once consumed, refined sugar rapidly increases insulin levels, promoting the growth of cancer cells. In fact, cancer cells are highly addicted to sugar, using glucose as their primary energy source for reproduction. Overconsumption of refined sugar can lead to insulin resistance, increasing acidity in the body, and creating an ideal environment for cancer to thrive. Furthermore, refined sugar weakens the immune system, reducing the body's ability to protect itself, which makes it easier for bacteria, viruses, and diseases to invade. To reduce cancer risk, consider replacing refined sugar with natural sweeteners like honey, maple syrup, or fresh fruits. 3. Red meat and processed foods. Red meat and processed foods are common culprits in daily diets, yet they pose significant health risks. Studies have shown that consuming too much red meat, especially processed meats like sausages, ham, and bacon, can increase the risk of cancer. These foods contain potential carcinogens like nitrates and nitrites, which are used for preservation and coloring. Moreover, red meat contains high levels of saturated fat and protein, which increase acidity in the body, creating an ideal environment for cancer cells to grow. Processed foods are often loaded with chemicals and salt, weakening the immune system and causing long-term harm to the body. To protect your health, consider replacing red meat and processed foods with plant-based protein sources like beans, seeds, and unprocessed foods. This choice will be much better for your overall well-being. 4. Genetically modified wheat. Genetically modified wheat is a common food in modern diets, but it can be a hidden cause of harm to health, especially when it comes to cancer. Today, wheat has undergone crossbreeding and genetic modification to increase yield, but these changes have also led to higher levels of gluten and hard-to-digest proteins in the wheat. This new gluten structure is complex, making it difficult for the body to absorb and potentially causing digestive issues like intestinal inflammation, which weakens the immune system. Additionally, genetically modified wheat contains many simple carbohydrates that can raise blood sugar levels and create an acidic environment in the body. This acidic environment promotes the growth of cancer cells, especially when combined with other unhealthy eating habits. Instead of consuming genetically modified wheat, try whole grains or nutrient-rich seeds like quinoa, brown rice, or barley. which are not only healthy but also help reduce cancer risk. 5. Alcohol and tobacco. Alcohol and tobacco are two major contributors to serious health damage, especially when combined. Both have been proven to increase the risk of many types of cancer, including mouth, throat, esophagus, liver, and breast cancer. When alcohol is consumed, it is metabolized into acetaldehyde, a potent carcinogen, while tobacco contains thousands of toxic chemicals, many of which are directly carcinogenic. Moreover, both alcohol and tobacco weaken the immune system and increase acidity in the body, creating an ideal environment for cancer cells to thrive. When used together, their harmful effects on the body become even stronger, as they damage cells and tissues, increasing cellular damage and providing favorable conditions for cancer to develop. To reduce cancer risk and protect long-term health, eliminating alcohol and tobacco from your life is one of the most important steps you can take. 6. Aged cheese. Aged cheese, especially varieties with mold like blue cheese, is one of the foods that can create an acidic environment in the body, increasing the risk of cancer. The prolonged fermentation process in aged cheese produces amine compounds, some of which are carcinogenic. These cheeses also contain high levels of saturated fat and sodium, which increase acidity in the body and provide favorable conditions for cancer cell growth. Additionally, aged cheese contains a large amount of protein and calcium, which, when digested, can reduce the absorption of essential minerals like magnesium and potassium, leading to imbalances in the body. This further increases the risk of bone and cardiovascular diseases. To minimize cancer risk, consider replacing aged cheese with plant-based alternatives or fresher, less processed cheeses to ensure optimal health. 7. Caffeine and caffeinated beverages. Caffeine, found in coffee, tea, sodas, and many other drinks, is one of the factors that increase acidity in the body. While caffeine can help boost alertness, excessive consumption can disrupt the body's pH balance, creating an acidic environment that is favorable for the growth of cancer cells. Moreover, caffeine has a diuretic effect, causing the body to lose important alkaline minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which weakens the immune system and increases the risk of chronic diseases, especially when combined with sugar and sweeteners in sodas. The effects on the body are even more serious, causing a significant increase in acidity, thus creating the ideal environment for cancer cells to thrive. To protect your health and prevent cancer, limit caffeine intake and replace it with natural beverages like water, fresh fruit juices, or herbal teas. 8. Acidic foods to avoid. Acidic foods play a crucial role in altering the body's pH, creating an ideal environment for cancer cells to develop. These foods are typically high in minerals like phosphorus, sulfur, and chlorine, which can lead to an excess of acid in the body. When the body becomes overloaded with acid, its self-defense functions, including the ability to resist disease, weaken, providing a conducive environment for cancer and other diseases to thrive. Common acidic foods include red meat, processed foods, refined sugar, dairy products, and caffeinated beverages. While these are easily found in the everyday diet, reducing their consumption can help maintain an ideal pH balance, thus reducing the risk of cancer and chronic diseases. To protect your health, prioritize alkaline foods such as green vegetables, fresh fruits, and whole grains to restore the body's pH balance and maintain long-term health. 9. The importance of body pH. Maintaining the pH balance in the body is crucial for overall health, especially when it comes to cancer prevention. Every body has its own unique pH level, and keeping the pH between 7.35 and 7.45 is essential for optimal function. When the body's pH becomes too acidic, cancer cells can easily develop because an acidic environment is ideal for their growth. A balanced body pH strengthens the immune system, improves nutrient absorption, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Additionally, body pH directly impacts digestion, metabolism, and cell regeneration. Therefore, maintaining a proper diet with a high alkaline food ratio will help you sustain an ideal pH and protect your body from cancer and other serious health conditions. If you realize that your diet can profoundly impact your health, don't hesitate to make changes today. These foods are not only a threat to your health, but can also be a deciding factor in cancer prevention. From now on, let your choices become a shield that protects your body from dangerous diseases. Share this video to help your loved ones and friends become more aware of what they are eating every day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any valuable information. And continue exploring more health secrets with us in the upcoming videos.